wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best fruit presses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Handheld Charminer Extractor tool is a simple but effective choice for producing a nutritious drink. The curved handle provides decent leverage and a comfortable grip, while the V-shaped spout directs the liquid into the container to minimize spills. The filter removes easily for cleaning and it's small and portable. However, it's not dishwasher safe. At number 9, if you want to try your hand at making cider or wine, the Squeeze Master Basket is a reliable and reasonably priced option to get you started. It turns easily using the extended lever, and the sturdy base can be screwed to a worktop to prevent it wobbling. It includes a filter bag and 6 blocks and is light enough to move easily, but the plate doesn't press all the way down. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Switl manual squeezer can accommodate a 7.5-inch glass under the funnel, allowing it to collect more juice per serving than many similar models. The base is made of cast iron and sports rubber suction cup feet to stop it from moving around. The strainer is dishwasher safe and it includes a key to tighten the screws. However, it can be difficult to clean the cone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fruit presses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the affordable Zulay Kitchen 2-in-1 is ideal for adding citrus flavors to cocktails or meals, as it's lightweight and easy to hold over a shaker or a plate. It features dual bowls that generate a high yield from small or medium-sized limes and oranges. It removes seeds and pulp well and is compact and convenient to store, but it's not suitable for large fruit. Moving up our list to number 6, the multi-purpose EJWox wine press extracts juice from apples or carrots and can also be used to make cheese, tinctures and more. The crossbeam turns with minimal effort and has balls on each end to prevent your hands from slipping. It's available in 3 sizes and the parts are easy to clean. However, note that your produce must be chopped before using it. Halfway up our list at number 5, boasting a drum that holds almost 5 gallons of produce, the EJWox basket can be used to make batches of juice as well as cider or wine. The red beech barrel is resistant to moisture and corrosion, while the wooden plates provide the pressure required for a good yield. It can be screwed to a worktop, and there's an assembly instruction video online, but note that hard fruits must be crushed first. At number 4, the rovsun juicer requires minimal effort to use, thanks to the leverage created by its long 13-inch handle. It sports a safety clip that secures the lever in an upright position, preventing it from slamming down accidentally. The strainer removes pulp and seeds, and it comes with a sturdy cast iron base. However, you can only fit a small glass under it. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a cup that's 5 inches in diameter, the Zulay Kitchen Professional is capable of squeezing medium-sized grapefruits and pomegranates, in addition to smaller items. The stainless steel strainer catches any pulp effectively and is dishwasher safe. You can choose from 3 colors, all with a rubberized handle for a good grip. It's also available in an extra tall version. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fruit presses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hamilton Beach Commercial is as well suited to a smoothie bar as a home kitchen, thanks to a stylish look, hard-wearing construction and its efficiency. It features rack and pinion gearing that exerts up to 2,000 pounds of pressure without straining your muscles. It's equipped with a cup to catch drips, grips on the feet to keep it stable, and an acid-resistant finish. And taking the top spot on our list, the tabletop fruit press works well whether the drum is full or almost empty, as the inner disc pushes right to the base without leaving any gap. A fine mesh bag prevents the flesh from passing into the juice, and an outer sleeve catches liquids that may otherwise spurt out. It works for nuts and honeycombs too, and an anti-rotation plate holds it still. It includes a plastic drain tube. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fruit presses, or simply click beneath this video.